Wix Tutorial, Creating an Online Store and Managing Products. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to set up an online store using Wix and effectively manage your products. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Wix, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. First, locate the Get Started button. Clicking on this button will redirect you to the Sign Up page, where you can choose to sign up using your Google or Facebook account, or continue with your email address. Select the option that suits you best and follow the provided steps to complete the sign-up process. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be taken to your account. From there, you can start building your website using Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Once you are inside your account, you can click on the My Site button here at the top and select Go to My Sites. Here you can view all your sites, organize them into folders, perform site actions, and more. First, click the plus Create New Site button to get started. This will take you to a page where you can choose the type of website you want to create, whether you want to create a blog, a portfolio, an online store, or a business website. Wix has a variety of templates and features to choose from. We will click on Online Store since we want to build an online store. Once you select the type of website you want to build, then click on Next. Next, you will need to enter a name for your website. This is an important step, as your website name will be the first thing that visitors see when they arrive at your site. If you don't have a name in mind, take some time to brainstorm ideas and find a name that is memorable, unique, and easy to remember. Once you have entered the name of your website, click Next to continue. The next step is to choose the features you want to add to your website. Wix makes this process easy with its one-click feature selection. Just scroll through the list of available features, such as bookings, online stores, events, portfolios, and pricing plans, and select the ones that you want to add to your site. Once you have added the features you want, click Next to continue. After clicking Next, Wix presents two options to create a website. Begin with a template or get a custom-built site. If you choose to begin with a template, you will need to customize a designer-made template for your website. If you select Get a custom-built site, Wix will create a site for you in minutes using artificial intelligence. For this tutorial, we will use a template and customize it, so we will click on Begin with a template. Once you click on Begin with a template, Wix takes you to the Website Templates gallery, where you can choose from different types of templates. Once you have reached the Wix Templates library, you will be presented with a wide range of templates to choose from. Your task will be to select a template that appeals to you and fits your desired website design. The templates in the Wix Templates library are conveniently organized into categories such as Business and Services, Store, Creative, Community, and Blog. Since our objective is to build an online store, we will click on the Store category. By clicking on the Store category, a drop-down menu will appear, featuring different types of online store templates. These categories may include fashion and clothing, jewelry and accessories, arts and crafts, and more. You have the option to select a specific type of online store template from these categories. Alternatively, you can click on Online Store at the top of the drop-down menu to get an overview of how all these types of stores look. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will click on Online Store to explore all the available online store templates. Within the Online Store section, you can browse through the various templates until you find the one that you love. In our case, we will click on this Accessories Store template, which happens to be the fourth template in the list. Upon hovering over the template, you will see two options, Edit and View. Clicking on Edit will take you to the Wix website editor, where you can customize the chosen template according to your preferences. However, if you select View, you will be redirected to a page that allows you to preview the template in both desktop and mobile formats before making any changes. If you find that the template does not meet your expectations, you can always go back and choose another one. On the other hand, if you are satisfied with the selected template, you can click on Edit this site to proceed directly to the Wix website editor, where you can begin customizing the template to suit your online store's needs. As we have decided to proceed with the Accessories Store template for our online store website, we will click on Edit this site. After a short loading period, we will be redirected to the Wix website editor, where we can start working on our online store. Once you access the Wix website editor, you will be greeted with a range of options that we would like to provide an overview of before customizing your online store. The left navigation panel contains various tools and features designed to help you create your online store according to your preferences. Among the options available, the left sidebar includes features such as Add Elements, Add Section, Pages and Menu, Site Design, Add Apps, My Business, Media and Content Manager. With the Add Elements option, you can add different website elements to your Wix website. This feature allows you to add website elements that aren't included in the template, such as text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, and more. To add any element, simply choose the element and drag it to your website. For instance, if you want to add a button to your website, click on the button element and then select the design of the button from the Themed Buttons section. Once you find it, drag it to your website. This feature is particularly useful when you want to customize your website beyond the template provided by Wix. You can use Add Elements to create your own design and add any features that are not available in the template. To add new sections to your website, simply click on the Add Section option on the left-hand side of the Wix editor page. Here you can choose from a range of pre-designed sections or create a blank one. Once you've selected the section you want to add, you can drag and drop it into your website. This is an easy way to add new content and structure to your site without having to design everything from scratch. If you want to add new pages and menus to your website, click on the Pages and Menu option on the left-hand side of the Wix editor page. This will give you an overview of your current menus, pages, and their visibility in the main menu. When you're ready to add a new Wix page, simply click on the Add Page button to open the page selection menu. From here, you can choose from a range of page templates or create a blank one. This is a great way to expand the content and functionality of your website, making it more useful and engaging for your audience. Site Design allows you to customize the color and font of your website. By clicking on Site Design and then hovering over the Site Theme and then clicking on Customize, you can easily adjust the colors and text of your website. Additionally, you can change the page background and add page transitions to enhance the visual appeal of your website. The Add Apps panel allows you to integrate apps into your website. By clicking on Add Apps, you will be taken to the Wix App Market where you can browse through different apps from various categories. Once you have found the app that you want to install, simply click on it and then click on the Add to Site button to add the app to your website. My Business panel helps you to manage various aspects of your website, such as the Wix blog, Wix payments, Wix chat, and Wix site search. By using this panel, you can easily add and manage these features to make your website more professional and user-friendly. This panel is especially useful for business owners who want to optimize their websites for marketing and sales. By using the tools available in the My Business panel, you can improve the functionality and user experience of your website. In the Media panel, you can add and manage all of the visual elements of your website, such as images and videos. You have the option to upload files from your computer or import them from your social media accounts or cloud storage services like Google Drive and Google Photos. Additionally, Wix offers a library of free images and videos that you can use to enhance your website's visual appeal. The Content Manager panel, on the other hand, allows you to easily manage your site's content. You can create new blog posts, add and edit pages, and manage your website's structure and navigation. You can also organize your content by using tags and categories, making it easier for your visitors to find what they're looking for on your website. In addition to the left navigation panel, the top bar offers additional options to further enhance your online store. It allows you to easily switch between different pages of your website, making it convenient to manage and edit each section. You can also preview your online store in both desktop and mobile formats, ensuring it looks appealing and functions smoothly across different devices. The top bar also provides features such as redo and undo to make changes and revert them if needed. Additionally, you can use the zoom in and zoom out options to adjust the view and focus on specific elements of your online store. To begin customizing our online store, the first step is to focus on the landing page. The landing page plays a crucial role in the success of your online store as it can attract visitors and create a favorable impression. Therefore, it's important to customize it effectively. The landing page of the chosen template consists of several sections, including the header, welcome section, and products. Let's start by customizing the header section, which is located at the top of the store. By clicking on the header, various options will appear, allowing you to edit and modify it. At the top left side of the header, you can change the name of your store. In our selected template, the store name is Raw ETC, and we will change it to Shoppin' and resize it as desired. You can also resize the search bar and reposition it according to your preferences. Additionally, you have the option to customize the cart button. This includes resizing it, renaming it, and adjusting its position. Furthermore, you can customize the notification bar, account settings, and menu within the header. Once you have customized the header to your satisfaction, the next step is to focus on the welcome section. The welcome section can be customized to fit your preferences and style. You can change the text within this section by simply clicking on the text you wish to modify, whether it is a heading or subheading. Clicking on the text will allow you to replace it with your own content. Through the text settings window that appears when you click on the text, you can further customize the text settings. This process can be applied to any text element across your store. Next, let's consider the background image of your store. If you are satisfied with the existing background image, there is no need to make changes. However, if you want to change the background image, simply click on the existing background image. This action will present you with the option to change the background image, which will be labeled as Change Strip Background. Upon clicking this option, you will be provided with choices such as color, image, or video to select as the new background image for your store. Choose the option that best suits your desired design. Once you have redesigned the welcome section of your store, it's time to focus on managing the products you sell. The template we have chosen for our online store focuses on a specific type of product, which in this case is caps. To manage these products, simply click on the product section and you will find an option labeled Manage Products. Clicking on this option will redirect you to another page dedicated to product management. Upon accessing the product page, you will see a list of the products you have added to your store. The products are displayed in a list format, including details such as their names, types, SKU, stock keeping unit, prices, and inventory status. On the product page, you have the ability to filter your products based on different criteria, such as type, inventory status, and visibility. You can also export the products and customize the columns displayed to suit your preferences. Additionally, a search bar is available to help you quickly find a specific product. Furthermore, there are two other options provided: More Actions and Plus New Product. Clicking on More Actions will present three different options: Export, Import, and Rearrange. You can choose to export your physical products to a CSV file by selecting Export. If you want to import multiple products into your store, choose Import. Alternatively, if you wish to rearrange the order of your products and put them in a specific category, select Rearrange. The Plus New Product button allows you to add new products to your store. Upon clicking this button, you are presented with two options: Physical Product and Digital File. Wix Stores gives you the flexibility to sell both physical products, like posters, as well as digital, downloadable products, such as ebooks, audio files, or images. You can select the appropriate option based on the type of product you are adding to your store. In our particular scenario, our store specializes in the sale of physical products, specifically caps. Therefore, we will opt for the Physical Products selection. Clicking on this option will redirect us to the dedicated product page where we can input and specify the essential details of our caps, ensuring that potential customers receive accurate information about the product. Step 1. Adding visual content. To enhance your product page and boost sales, it's crucial to display multiple high-quality product images, GIFs, or videos. These visual elements will be showcased in the product gallery and on the product page itself, giving your customers a clear and enticing view of your products. Step 2. Entering basic product information. To provide essential details about your product, you need to enter the basic product information. This includes the product name and description. Simply fill in the product name, up to 80 characters, and describe your product in the description field, with a maximum limit of 8,000 characters. Step 3. Optional. Adding info sections. If you want to provide additional helpful information to customers on the product page, you can add info sections. By clicking on plus add an info section, you can enter a title for the section and choose from two options: adding text or creating a table. Use the text editing toolbar to format the text or enter the necessary content for the table, then click OK. Step 4. Adding pricing information. In the pricing section, you can set the product price and add a sale price if applicable. If you sell products by weight, you can also enter a price per unit, e.g. $20 per 1 ounce, to assist customers in comparing prices. To track your profit and margins, input the cost of goods. Wix will automatically calculate your profit and margins, which will be displayed in analytics reports. Step 5. Optional. Allowing custom text input. If you want to collect specific information from customers, such as customization requests, you can add a custom text field. Click on Add Custom Text Field. Enter a title for the field, e.g., what name do you want to appear on the cap? Specifically the maximum number of characters allowed. And if desired, mark the field as mandatory. You can also add additional custom text fields by clicking on plus add another. Step 6. Optional. Adding product options. If you offer products with variations, such as different colors, sizes, or styles, you can create product options to accommodate these choices. To begin, click on plus add options and enter the relevant details for each option you want to provide. Step 7. Setting inventory options and shipping weight. Wix Stores offers two methods for managing inventory. The first is tracking inventory, which allows you to keep track of the quantity of a specific product in stock. When a sale is made, the inventory is automatically updated. Alternatively, you can manually set products as in stock or out of stock to manage availability. When a product is out of stock, you can change its status manually to out of stock. Step 8. Optional. Allowing pre-orders. To enable pre-order functionality for new or temporarily out-of-stock products, you can give customers the option to pre-order. When you enable pre-order, the Add to Cart button automatically changes to pre-order when stock levels reach 0. To enable pre-orders, toggle the pre-order option and enter a brief pre-order message. It is recommended to include information about the estimated availability of the product, such as ready to ship by mid-May. Optionally, you can set a limit on the number of pre-orders you can accept by clicking Limit To and entering the maximum number. Step 9. Optional. Creating product subscriptions. If you offer subscription-based products that provide regular deliveries to customers, you can create a product subscription option. Click on plus create a subscription and enter a name for the subscription option, which will be displayed on the product page. Step 10. Saving your changes. Finally, click on the Save button to save all the changes you have made. Your products, with its customized options, inventory settings, pre-order functionality, or subscription options will now be displayed on your online store. Moreover, you can also edit existing products. To do so, hover over the product you want to edit and you will see three options: Promote this product, Hide from the online store, and 3 dots. Clicking on the 3 dots will provide you with the Edit option. By selecting Edit, you will be taken to another page where you can manage the specific product. Here you can modify various aspects of the product, including basic information such as name, description, pricing, and more. Additionally, you have the ability to change the category of the product, either by assigning it to an existing category or creating a new one. Marketing and SEO settings for the product can also be adjusted, allowing you to add coupons, promote the product, or edit SEO settings. After making the necessary changes to the product, click on Save to save your modifications and update the product in your store. Managing the categories of your products is an essential part of organizing your online store. To access the Category section, navigate to the left navigation panel and click on Categories. This action will take you to the Categories Management page. On the Categories page, you have the option to create new categories or manage existing ones. To add a new category, simply click on the plus symbol or the plus new category button. This will prompt you to enter the details of the new category. To add products to a category, click on the plus Add Products button. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the products available in your store. You can select the desired products by checking the radio button next to each product, indicating that it should be added to the chosen category. After selecting the products, click on the Add button to complete the process. The selected products will be added to the category. In addition to adding products, you can also customize the name of the category. To change the name, simply click on the category name box and replace the existing name with your desired name. Furthermore, you have the option to add a specific image to represent the category. This image can provide visual identification and enhance the aesthetics of your store. Once you have added the image and made any necessary changes, click on the Save or plus Add Category to Site button to save the category. The newly created or modified category will then be displayed in your store, allowing customers to browse and navigate through your products more effectively. Now, from the Settings section of your dashboard, you can connect your domain, update your business information, and manage settings for Wix apps and privacy. You can update your e-commerce settings, language, currency, and accepted payment methods. You can also define your shipping regions and rates, access your custom code, invite collaborators to work on your site, manage member login, and much more. Once you have finished customizing your online store template, it is time to make your website live by publishing it. To publish your site, look for the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor interface. Clicking on this button will initiate the publishing process, making your website accessible to visitors. Upon publishing, a pop-up window will appear displaying the URL of your website. This URL serves as the unique web address where your website can be accessed on the internet. You can use this URL to view your site and share it with others. Simply copy the URL from the pop-up window and paste it into any web browser to see your responsive online store in action. And there you have it, a beginner's guide on setting up an online store using Wix and effectively managing your products. You can sign up using the first link in the description. Again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching and take care.